2025, I made over $200,000 in profit with UGC. Not because I'm super creative or I have a big following, but because I do one thing that most UGC creators completely ignore. I make businesses more money. That's why I can charge over $10,000 just for one client. But just a couple of years ago, I was trying all sorts of different things. I was bin cleaning on the side. I was a cover teacher. But then I started doing the regular thing, posting content, doing outreach, all these different things, but nothing was working. Then I started UGC and I thought I was going to fail again. However, within 60 days, I got my first $3,000 client, and now I'm earning easily over $20,000 every month with a life of freedom, traveling wherever I want, living the life that I always wanted. So if I can do it, literally anyone watching this video can do it. So in this video, I'm going to reveal the exact strategy that I use to help me earn over $200,000 with UGC, how I land high paying clients, and also the biggest mistakes that these UGC creators keep making to stop themselves making that 10K a month. If you want to charge 10K a month for one client, you've got to make them more money, or you've got to save them more money. It's the same with me. Obviously, I run an agency. If there's a host that wants to work for my agency, if they're going to charge me £500, for example, for a day rate, and they've never done the job before, I'm going to be like, that's a huge risk. Why would I do it? However, if that host is like super professional, they have a really good track record, they can show me results that have like saved other companies money, then I know that maybe the risk might be worth it. So everyone makes these UGC videos, but what makes you stand out is being a UGC growth operator. What this is basically, it's not someone that just makes UGC videos, but they learn the strategy and they learn exactly why UGC videos convert and how to make these businesses more money. Here is an example of a really nice looking UGC video. However, this one didn't make any money. It's very generic. You've seen a million videos like it, and it's not really, it doesn't make you feel anything. And then here's one of my ads right here, a street interview advert. Straight away, I go up to a guy, I say, do you have any Bitcoin? And then he says no. There's an objection or there's a rejection. People like that. People like to see me getting rejected. And then after, you hear me saying, he ain't gonna get none either because he just walked away. Could have got something for free. So there, we've just introduced something at the start of the video to a payoff. People are thinking, oh, is he gonna give someone some Bitcoin in this video? Like, what's going on here? What's going on? What's going on? This is me with a trading company. My videos are getting like 40 cents per result. So they're spending 40 cents on their ad until they get an action from their clients. Super low CPA. After I got that CPA, I was like, okay, mate, let's lock in 12 videos a month and we'll do a package, a monthly retainer. And he was like, why not? By the way, the best way is just to do loads of videos. Maybe if you're starting out, just do it for super cheap. The more you guys do, the more your chance of getting one of these low CPA videos, these winning ads. Once you've got that winning ad, you can use that winning ad to say, look, now let's lock in something proper. You can do the exact same with other clients. Say, look, I just made this with this company. What do you want to lock in? If you've got a trading company that's got a really low CPA, say, right, now let's reach out to a bunch of other trading companies and say, look at this CPA you're getting in your niche. Obviously, starting with low retainers is just start low and then get your foot in the door. Have believable offers as well. Don't like say, oh yeah, I'm going to 300% your ROAS. I'm going to 10x your profits this month. Just keep it realistic. Because, a lot of these businesses get scammed. Realistic expectations, set them from the start and deliver. You are not a UGC person. You're not a UGC video person. You're a problem solver. You need to solve the customer's problems. So what are the customer's objections of this company? I don't know. So what do? I go onto the ads library, the meta ads library, find that niche, find that company, find the ads that they're running at the moment, find their best looking ad, their best performing ad, and just restructure it. Restructure it in your concept. So my concept would be street interview ads. So if I get in a call with someone, I say, show me your best ad. He shows me his best ad, and then I'll make a script out of it in the street, easy. That's what companies want. They want you to tell them the problem, tell them where they're going wrong, and say how you can help them. And it's the same thing once you're in their business and you're making the video, that's the thing that you're doing in the video as well. But no matter how good your offer is, if you don't know how to land high paying clients, you can't benefit from it. Which brings me on to this. I already actually touched on this a minute ago, but value first outreach is what you need to be doing. So this could be anything. This could be you writing a script. Maybe you start with free videos. I mean, that's what I started doing when I very first got into this. Obviously, the very first videos I ever did, I did for free just because I wanted videos. I wanted a portfolio. I wanted videos to send to other companies so I could get more work in, because obviously no one wants to be the first person that pays you. You could even get a product in your house that you've you've already got, make a video with it, make sure you tag that company, because this is why it's genius. One, you just got a video for your portfolio, and two, this is why it's actually super genius. If someone has to see your portfolio and you've just used Yankee Candle, you said, oh yeah, here's my video I did, that company's gonna think, oh, this person's pretty good, and really you just did the video for free. Getting a website as well is a good thing. My biggest ever pay from one client, I think, was $12,000, and that client actually found me through a website. So they searched street interview UGC or something like that, and they found my website. They booked a call, I closed it. But yeah, with this value first outreach, you can easily get your first 2 clients in 30 days, because you know, you give a few people some free videos. Out of all those videos, say you do 1 video with 3 hooks, 3 endings, so that will be 6 videos. Yeah, you do that for maybe 5 different companies. You've got 30 videos you've just done in this month, and out of those 30 videos, surely one of them's going to perform well, maybe 2 of them perform well, get in a contract. We do a monthly retainer now. Let's say you get 2 clients, lock in a $2,000 deal, you got $4,000 in your first 30 days. You're halfway there to make 10k. Post that video on Instagram as well, obviously the UGC video, the free video you're making, and obviously your Instagram needs to show that you are a UGC person. Clear profile picture, clear bio. Also get verified on Instagram, because obviously I used to outreach a lot on Instagram, and when I got that blue tick, honestly, the amount of replies I got back, tenfold. By the way, if you're actually serious about wanting to make money as a UGC creator, if you want to make that 5k, that 10k a month with UGC, make sure you click that link in the description. That's where you can apply for our coaching program, where I'll give you everything you need to land those high paying clients. Back to the video. Here are the main reasons why you're getting ignored with your outreach, and these are the things to avoid. It should never look like it's automated or AI or anything like that. Definitely don't state the obvious, and that big long dash, the M dash, don't ever use that dash again. Here's an outreach template for Instagram that I use. Sometimes I'll just be the most casual thing ever. Like, I'll just see someone on Instagram pop up a brand that I think would work well. I'll literally pop up to them and say, just saw your ad, looks pretty cool, but static ads aren't really doing that well at the moment. Have you ever thought about UGC or street interview? I notice, I give them a compliment, and then I'll literally give them a solution, and I'll say, the solution is me. Let me give you a few ideas. Would you like to hear some ideas from me and my team? And I always end on a question, because if it's not a question, then they might just ignore it. But landing the clients isn't it, because if you don't make them any more money, they're not going to come back. And that's what we need. We need retainers. We need security, because in this game of freelancing and, you know, working for yourself, it's very stressful, and you have to have things all the time. So if you've got a contract in place where you're getting monthly work, and you know for a fact it's not going anywhere because they're in a contract, that is what you really need. You need to be doing paid ads. If you're doing UGC for organic, it's okay, but you know, it's a little bit more of a gamble, because at the end of the day, you can't predict the algorithm. But yeah, the ad budget is always covered by the clients as well, so don't worry, you're not paying anything on the ads. But you need to always ask, when you're getting the sales call, when you're speaking to them, say, oh, are you running ads? Are you running paid ads? How much are you spending on these paid ads? And if they are, that gives you a bit better chance of the ads doing well. But yeah, I always use the CIP framework, which is copy, improve, paste. So yeah, I just copy videos that have performed well in other niches or different concepts. We just rewrite the script. Everything has been done before. Everything's been invented. Nothing now is new. We're in 2026. Stop trying to be super original, super creative. Just take something that's already working, and then re-script it, reconcept it, try different angles, try different endings, try different hooks. And if you don't know how to do this, just literally get a script, put it into ChatGPT, and get ChatGPT to do it. But let's be honest, most people are going to watch this video and they'll stay in the same position. They're not going to do anything. They'll watch the 10-minute video and they'll forget about it in 5. You might even watch another 20 videos similar to this, and you'll still be in the same position. That is just some people, unfortunately. However, there is a small percentage of action takers that actually will take this information and use it and start earning $5 to $10K a month, just like I did, and more. If you are this guy, make sure you click the link in the description and you get coaching from me, and I will see you in the next video.